If you're considering buying Vertu Agent, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know before making your decision. Stick around until the end, because some of these might completely change the way you approach your business strategies. Plus, I'll also tell you how to get the best possible deal for the software at the end of this video. Now, you can actually try Vertu Agent for free using the first link in the description below. But before jumping in, let's dive into some crucial insights. The first thing to understand about Vertu Agent is its intuitive, user-friendly interface. When compared to other CRM software out there, Vertu Agent really stands out in terms of ease of use. Many CRMs have a steep learning curve, but Vertu Agent focuses on simplicity, allowing teams to get up and running quickly without wasting time on complicated setups. This makes it especially ideal for smaller teams or businesses that don't have a dedicated tech team. Next thing to note is how customizable it is. While other software like Salesforce and HubSpot may require significant tweaking to meet your unique needs, Vertu Agent offers flexible customization straight out of the box. You can easily tailor the system to your business workflows, something that many CRMs overlook in favor of more generic solutions. Whether it's adding custom fields, adjusting the sales pipeline, or modifying reports, Vertu Agent lets you adjust the software to fit how you actually work. Now, the third thing is the automation capabilities. If you're running any business, you know that efficiency is key. Vertu Agent provides automated follow-ups, reminders, and email campaigns, all of which are intuitive to set up. Unlike some of its competitors, which require third-party integrations for these features, Vertu Agent has built-in automation, saving you time and money on additional software. The fourth thing you should know is Vertu Agent's integration with third-party apps. If you're using tools like Google Workspace, Slack, or Zoom, Vertu Agent connects seamlessly with these services, helping to centralize your communication and data. This can really simplify team collaboration and keep everything in one place, unlike some software that requires manual imports or additional setup. Fifth on the list is Vertu Agent's strong customer support. Many CRM platforms don't provide timely or effective support unless you're paying for the premium tier. But with Vertu Agent, you get access to responsive, helpful support right from the start. Whether you need assistance with setup or help troubleshooting issues, the support team is there to make sure your experience goes smoothly. The sixth thing to consider is its pricing. Vertu Agent offers a great value for the price, especially when you compare it to high-end CRM options. While tools like Salesforce may offer advanced features, they can be very expensive, especially if you're a small business or a team just getting started. Vertu Agent provides a more affordable solution without sacrificing important functionalities, making it ideal for growing companies that need quality CRM without breaking the bank. And the seventh and final thing to know before buying Vertu Agent is its reporting and analytics capabilities. If you're looking to measure your business performance, Vertu Agent delivers robust reporting tools that let you easily track sales metrics, customer interactions, and team performance. Compared to competitors, its reporting features are more intuitive and straightforward, which is perfect for teams that want to focus on their business without getting lost in complicated data. If you're looking to try Vertu Agent, make sure you click the first link in the description below to get an exclusive free trial. You can explore all the features I mentioned today and even more, all with zero risk. So, if you're ready to get started and see how Vertu Agent can streamline your business operations, hit that link now and enjoy a free trial with added perks.